Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a first impression review on this lippy stick right here. I featured this in a haul a few days ago and I asked you guys what shade you want me to review from the lippiestix, and I got a lot of requests to review the cami shade. So this is what I have on my lips right now. So this is not like full-on first impression review kasi on that video I swatched this already on my lips. So parang yun yung as in first impression talaga. Pero hindi ko siya na-wear more than 5 minutes. I literally just swatch it on my lips and then remove it just to show you guys how it looked on my lips. But today I'm gonna wear this throughout the day. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna do the usual thing I do on a daily, and I'm gonna update you guys throughout the day. So yeah, going back to the lippy stick, this is $5 US. Now I'm really sorry because I do not know where you can get it sa Pilipinas. I'm pretty sure you can find this sa mga online shops sa Pilipinas and hindi ko alam kung magkano sila, so pasensya naman. So ganito yung packaging niya. Yung Colourpop right there is kind of like metallic and ish like that, silver, whatever. And then the actual product looks like this. It's retractable like so. So ganito na siya kahaba, bongga, diba? I like that it's retractable, and gusto ko din na parang maliit lang yung pang-apply niya para precise talaga yung application. I like na sobrang simple lang ng packaging niya. Tapos yung pangalan din ng shade niya nasa bottom right here. So hindi ka mahihirapan maghanap. Kasi yung iba, diba, nasa box na packaging nila, wala sa actual product. So yeah, without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on the lips. And this is the current situation of my lips. Hindi naman nagka-crack yung lips ko, pero parang red yung dito. Anyway, I'm gonna apply the lippy stick right now. This lipstick is very pigmented. Tapos, sobrang dali lang niya i-apply sa lips. So this is what cami looks like up close. Sobrang pigmented. Sobrang dali lang niya i-apply sa lips. Walang tagging na nangyayari at all kasi sobrang smooth siya nag-a-apply sa lips, which I like. Hindi din siya super heavy sa feeling. Yung shade niya is parang pinkish mauve nude, which I like. I feel like it will go well sa kahit na anong skin tone meron ka. It is now 10:49 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for my update. Hello! It is now 3:14 ng hapon, and you guys, yung pinakaunang napansin ko, parang nung nag-set na siya ng bonggang-bongga, naging deeper yung shade niya, and yes, I changed my nail color, but it is the same day, I swear to you. Parang mas gusto ko ganito yung shade kaysa sa nung kanina. Not na hindi maganda yung kanina, pero mas bet ko na naging deeper yung shade niya. I actually really like it. Kumain na ako ng lunch, ilang beses na din ako uminom, and my lips still looks fine. Yes, parang dry siya tingnan, especially sa inner corner. It's not because of the lipstick. My lips is not at its best kasi nga sobrang lamig. Parang yung lips ko hindi pa sanay sa ganitong lamig. Kahit na nag-apply ako ng lip balm every night, ano pa rin, parang meron pa rin dryness na ganap. Pero hindi nagka-crack yung lips ko, or as of now, hindi pa siya nag-crack. So, we'll see. Pero sobrang bet ko yung lipstick. Hindi ko na-mention kanina, pero it's obvious naman na sobrang matte niya. It's also kiss-proof, as in wala talagang transfer whatsoever. Sobrang komportable niya sa lips. Parang wala lang. After ko kumain, nag-fade siya. Pero yung pinaka-inner corner lang. Yung kinain ko kanina, hindi siya oily. So, please take note. Kasi may nag-comment sa haul ko na kapag oily yung kinain mo, may tendency talaga na nawawala yung lipstick. So, yung kinain ko kanina, hindi oily. And nag-fade na siya, yes. Pero very slight lang. Yung sa inner corner lang. I don't feel the need to retouch right now kasi you guys, look at that. Okay na okay pa rin siya. I'm gonna wear it like this, and then we'll see kung ano mangyayari after ko kumain ng dinner. It is now 8:47 or 48 ng gabi. Hindi ko alam kung ilang oras na tong lipstick na to sa lips ko, and you guys, it still looks decent. I mean, sobrang oily ng kinain namin. It was really good though. Oh my gosh. I cooked Alfredo pasta, and it was so good, and oily siya. As in, sobrang oily siya. Yes, natanggal siya, but not like drastic na parang, oh my gosh, nawala na yung lipstick ko. Nandito pa rin siya. So, nag-tint yung lipstick, which is really good. I really like yung mga lipstick na nag-tint. Hindi siya drying sa lips at all. Meron akong parang nag-crack na lip dito sa ano, pero sobrang lamig, you guys. As in, sobrang lamig dito. It's winter here. So, parang para sa akin normal na nagka-crack yung lips ko. I'm pretty sure it's not the lipstick at all. I did notice na parang nag-bleed siya outside my lip lines dito sa part na to. Pero I'm pretty sure it's because of my dinner kasi nga sobrang oily niya. But overall, I really like it. Para sa akin, sobrang long-lasting nitong lipstick na to. I'm gonna review the Ultra Matte really soon. So, let me know which shade you want me to review because I have 3 shades. The Beeper, the R&B, and the Lumiere 2. So, let me know which shade you want me to review. But this bad boy, I really like. For the price, ha, it's really not that expensive. Alam ko meron sa inyo na meron ng mga ganito eh. So, let me know which one is your favorite shade. I would love to know below. And yeah, that's basically it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like the video if you want more first impression review videos. And please do subscribe as well if you're not yet already. It's the red subscribe button down there. So if you click that, you will be subscribed and you will be notified of my videos daily. And that's it for this video. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to give bye!